Hello, we talk about the court report, okay? And wait a second. We talk about the court report, and now we will do the practical side of court report. From where you see the court report, you go to Google, you write there court trading stir, trading stir. You write there trading. Let me open Google. That's Google. Now I write trading stir. Okay, trading stir website. That's click, open it. You have to see the court report on this website. Okay, court report data is delayed, 3 days delayed version. You will get this data on weekend, but data is still previous Tuesday. Okay, like I'm like let's suppose, let me open some data. Which data I should open? Let's start with the gold. Okay, gold court legacy report. You have to open legacy report. That is the report. Now now this is the report. Okay, this is 15 October. Okay, and today date. Today is 19 October. So basically this data comes three days ago. Three days ago. So we get this data on Friday, Saturday, and this data is from previous week till Tuesday. Okay, so you have to keep eye on this date, which okay, so there is a 3 days delay of this data. When I get data, I will get a 3 days delayed version of the data. Market actually moved 3 days, but I am getting previous data. Okay, now there are three categories: non-commercials, commercials, and non-reportables. Non-commercials are who are speculators, who are hedge fund managers, large banks, who actually are there to trade in the market for profits. This category we have to watch. Non-commercial, what they are doing. Commercial are the hedgers, the businessman, the producer, and the consumers. These are the commercials. So what we have to do, these are there for the business. They do buy and sell for their business purpose. Non-commercial are there to buy and sell for their business, not their business, but for their account profiting. They want profit from the market with price difference. Okay, so they are there in the market to make profit from price change, and they are the smart players. Non-commercials are the actually big players, small players, big fishes who are actually driving the market, and we have to check them what they are doing. Now this is the report. This is the 3 days ago report till Tuesday, Wednesday. And what was the position? That they actually added 8,603 contracts in their buy trades and added 349 contracts just in their short trades. So by looking this, they are very bullish. The big players are very bullish, and on 15 October they were actually adding 8,603 buy positions. So let's see where this 15 October is. Look at this. This is 15 October. This is 15 October. This candle is 15 October, bullish candle. And last 5 days data. This is the last 5 day data. So we can make a box. We can make a box 15 last 5. So in this case, in these 5 candles, they actually, what they did, they are added their buy positions 8603. So what they did, they added their plus 8603 added buy positions. Okay, they added buy positions. And what market did? Market gone up. Market gone up. And by looking this data, I trade towards the bullish side. Okay, I when I do trading, then when I have this data, I will favor the bullish side because big players are on the buy side. We use COT report in alignment with trend. If COT report is saying that market saying that they are adding in short, we don't rely on that. We will only follow COT report if COT report is aligning with the uptrend. Now trend is up, and COT report is also telling us that big players are actually buying in the market, in the adding buy position in the market. Okay, this is the open interest. This is open interest for long and short. Basically, this is the open interest with categories, different categories. Okay, this is the open interest with different categories. Okay, so these are when we add commercials and non-commercials and reportable collectively, then the total open interest is 541232. When we add all open interest, then the total open interest is 541232, and the change is plus 2191, but added these positions. So what we have to see, we have to see the non-commercial category, and we have to see what they are doing. Either they are adding in their buy position, long mean buy positions, either they are exiting from buy positions, either they are, if they are exiting from buy position, means we have to careful in buying. Okay, and if they are adding in their short position more than buy position, then we have to be on the short side. If trend is weak, we have to favor the trend. If COT is aligned with the trend, then we have to follow COT report. First you see volume, then you see open interest. Third this COT report comes in. Okay, so these 3 days we did not know what happened. These 3 days were delayed. Now on Monday I have this data, and data saying that big players are actually adding in their buy positions. Now on Monday I will trade towards the bullish side depending on COT report. COT report is not giving me entry, it giving me confidence, it giving me direction. That's it, that this trend is very strong. Now this trend is getting strong, and this move, the high possibility that big moves are coming. So better to look for the buying opportunities in smaller time frame. This is daily chart. Okay, now if we go to previous reports, we click view historical data, then we will get previous report like 1 October. We select 1 October. Now they are getting out of longs. When we see 8 October, wait, internet is slow. Internet is slow. Wait a second. Now trend is up, and 8 October the data is 21,000 exiting from buy trades. Now I go to the 8 October, and 8 October to previous 5 days. This is the data. This is the data. Now data saying that on 8 October data came in 8 October, and data is saying that they are actually getting out of their buy position. They're taking profit of their buy position. Obviously they bought at very low price, and they are there now, price is very up, they are actually selling and taking profit from the markets. Like they have physical gold, and they are just selling physical gold here. Few, not all position, few positions. Now they few closed on few contracts, and that data telling us that big players are actually selling. Now it means gold will go down? No. We don't trade against trend with COT. Okay, we only wait for COT report to align with the trend. If COT report is against the trend, major trend, like this is a now COT report is telling us that big players are selling, they are exiting from long, and they are shorting. So this that means that we have to go against this trend, uptrend. We have to look for downside now. But no, that's rubbish, that bullshit. Never go against trend. Wait for the court report. Wait for that week court report which is aligned with the trend, which is aligned with this trend. When this is aligned with the trend, that means that is more powerful. Now I waited for court report and recent report. If I open recent report, that is saying that now the big players are trading with the trend. Now the big players are adding in their buy position, and they are actually aligned with this trend. So I am very bullish from now on. Okay, I am very bullish from now on. Let's see some other data. Let's see on oil. Where is oil? Crude oil. All data is here. There is crude oil light sweet. Let me open it. Now data will be open. Now let me open this crude oil either here as well. Now if we look at trend is down, going down. Okay, so if court report is giving me hint that price they are buying, then I will not trust at that. I will trust court report only when it is with trend. Let's see court report. Court report is saying that they are exiting from long, and they are also exiting from short, but they are more exiting from long. They minus 19,800, they are exiting this, they exited this contract, they are getting out of this buying trades minus 19,800, and they are getting out of their sell trades minus 13,566. That means they are more exiting from buy than selling. Still this reading says that oil is bearish. So oil is bearish still, as per this, as per the last 5 candles, oil is bearish. Let me label it there. So this reading is telling us that oil is bearish. Now let's see previous report 8. In this report they were adding in their long and they were getting out of their sell trades, but that means that big players are bullish, but the trend is down. We will not trust their bullish side. We will trust if they align with trend. They will if they align their position with trend, then we will trust COT report. So we will not follow this COT report. Okay, we will not skip that. Now let's go to further 1 October. Now here they are adding in long and short both, but no clear direction. So COT report is not very clear there. So we will have no view on that as well. Okay. So that's how we read. Now one thing is very important. Okay, let comes back to the gold. Let comes back to the gold. Now this is gold that long big players are adding in their buy, and we are actually bullish on gold. Okay, as the COT report is bullish and aligned with the trend, so we are bullish on gold simply. Now we have to further study that what non-commercials are doing, and these commercials are hedgers, what they are doing. So when we see this report, these are the old position, how they are behaving. Now when I see that, we have to see these blue ones are non-commercials and these black ones are commercials. So I have to watch this pattern, that whether it is going to extreme or not. The extreme is here, extreme is here, extreme is here. Still non-commercials can further add their position because extreme is at this place. Okay, so if they are taking profit, still I am sure that they will again adding their position like they are doing. So you have to focus on this thing as that these are old positions, old situations. Okay, you have to check that where they are now. They are at resistance level, but if they further add their position, they can go up to this mark, and there is still space to add their position. Okay, and non-commercial also can provide hedging. Commercial can also provide further hedge, so they can further provide hedging against them. So there is chance then that they will add further buy positions. Okay, now like this is they are doing. Okay, this is the maximum mark at 2020, so they can further go up. This non-commercial behavior of adding in their buy position can further go up. Okay, they look they are adding position, then this chart will go up. They are not adding their position, they are exiting from their buy position, then this chart will go down. So this is how this happening. Okay, this is the position of their longs and this is the position of their shorts. Net positioning, this is the net positioning. You have to see the net positioning and you have to see the long position as well. Don't see the short position. Okay, you don't need to see the short position. You just need to see the if you are bullish, if you are in an uptrend and you are bullish, and if commercial non-commercial are buyers, you have to see what how much long position they have and with respect to the previous trend. And if they are not touching to the extremes, they can further add their position. So here it is clear that they can add further up above their positions. And then you can also check the net is very important. You can check this net position as well. So That analysis you have to do with all instruments, whether gold, oil, silver, your USD, everything is available. Okay, let's see Bitcoin. Let's see Bitcoin. Where is Bitcoin? Okay, well, this is the Bitcoin legacy report. They are adding in short and buy both. Okay, let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Okay, so if they are adding in both, then go in previous data, 8 October, what they are doing there. They are adding double in their buy positions and less in their short position. Means they are bullish. They are bullish on this. So Bitcoin is bullish. Okay, and if we go to the data, and see their net positions, you see their net positions, then they are there at point where they can now build the bullish position, because this blue line, which is non-commercial, is getting support at this level. They always come here and start buying. So we have wait for one more week, then they will start pushing buy positions there. So that analysis saying this thing. Now they are adding position in their long, and currently they are not adding their positions. They are adding their keep adding their position in long. Look at that. They're adding their position long. It mean Bitcoin is very bullish. Okay, Bitcoin is very bullish. But you have to keep eye on the net. This net thing, you have to keep eye on this thing as well. Now let's suppose we see some currency pair like Euro USD or GBP USD, Pound USD. So we have see pound, what pound is doing. Look, I am not a good teacher, and I know things very well, but I am not a good teacher. But you can email me if you have confusion. I will help you out. Simple as that. Okay. Here it is clear that they in pound they are getting out of their buy positions and adding into their shorts position. Means they are with the trend. Trend is down. Trend is currently down, and they are actually adding their positions. So basically what they are doing, they are here, they are selling in the market and getting out of their buy positions. In previous data 1 week ago, 8 October, they were getting out of both. So when they are getting out of both buy and sell, then the trend will still remain intact. Always favor the trend. If COT report is giving you signal against trend, don't trust on COT report. Trust on COT report always when it is aligned with the trend. Okay, if it is signaling you against the trend, don't trust COT report. So that is the COT report. Then you will see the net positions and what net positions are. Now it touch it extreme point. Look at that, extreme buying point. Net positions were buying, extreme buying. So they were extreme buyer. Okay, so now that is why pound is going down. Okay, that is why pound is going down, and I think it will again come, they will again get out of their buy position, and pound, I am expecting pound USD to go more down. Okay, in this chart as well, they pick the high point. But this chart is very important. This is very important. This net position analysis is very important. They actually took the spike, huge position of buy, and then they are exiting from their buy position, and they have still room to exit few further buy position, and this will add further drop in pound USD. So pound USD is in downtrend. It will carry on its downtrend. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions, you can email me. I will help you. I will help you a lot. I will help you in when you email me. I will give you my number as well. You can then discuss with me on WhatsApp as well. Thank you.